Good morning, students. Today I am discussing about the topic matrices. Let us start with an example. Look here. Here I am going to write three names. And three different subjects: physics, chemistry and biology. Out of 10, they got these marks: 8, 7, 6, 9, 8, 6, 5, 9, 8. From this table, you can understand that these are the marks of three students in three different subjects. When I remove these names and these subjects, you can see only numbers here, and these numbers are well arranged, and if you put these numbers within this square bracket, it is known as a matrix. I will define the matrix. Matrix is a rectangular array of numbers arranged into rows and columns. I repeat, matrix is a rectangular array of numbers arranged into rows and columns. Then rows means the horizontal lines in this matrix. Horizontal lines in this matrix is known as rows, and the vertical lines is known as columns. Horizontal lines is known as rows and the vertical lines is known as columns. Next heading is, and also a matrix is always denoted by capital letters A, B or C, etc. And the members of this matrix is known as elements of the matrix. Here 8 is an element of this matrix, and same way 7 is an element of this matrix A, but 3 is not an element of this matrix. Understand? Now, what is the order of the matrix? Next heading, order of the matrix. In a matrix, if there is 2 rows, 2 rows and 2 columns, then the order is 2 by 2. In a matrix, if there is 1, 2, 3, 3 rows and 3 columns, it is known as 3 by 3 matrix. Therefore, the definition: in a matrix, if there is m rows and n columns, then the order of the matrix is m by n. Understand? If in a matrix, if there is m rows and n columns, then the order of the matrix is m by n. Now we discuss about the equality of two matrices. Equality of two matrices. Example: A is the matrix A, B, C, D, and B is the matrix 1, 5, 3, 7. And below I write A equal to B means the first matrix A equal to the second matrix B. If two matrices are said to be equal, if they are of the same order and the corresponding elements are equal. Two matrices are said to be equal if they are of the same order. Here the first order is 2 by 2. The second matrix, the order is also 2 by 2. They are of the same order and the corresponding elements are equal. Here in the first matrix A, the first element is A, and in B, the first element is 1. Therefore, we can say that A equal to 1 and B is equal to 5 and C is equal to 3 and D is equal to 7. This is the meaning of equality of two matrices. I will give another example for you. One is A is the matrix x plus 1, y minus 2, 3p, z plus 5. That is equal to the matrix 7, 9, 8, 9. From this equation we know that the first matrix is equal to the second matrix. Therefore, x plus 1 is equal to 7 and y minus 2 equal to 9. From the first one, we can say that x is equal to, when we convert a plus sign in the other side, that changes to minus. Therefore, the answer is 7 minus 1, 6. X is equal to 6. And this is y minus 2 equal to 9. Therefore, y is equal to 9 plus 2. What is the answer? 9 plus 2? 11. Very good. Now, the third element is 3p is equal to 8. From that, p is equal to 8 by 3. And the last one, z plus 5 is equal to 9 means z is equal to 9 minus 5, 4. Understand? We can find the unknown terms and variables x, y and z using equality. Now, topic is types of matrices. The first one is row matrix. A matrix having only one row is known as a row matrix. A matrix having only one row is known as a row matrix. Example, A is equal to 5, 7, 9. In this matrix, only one row is there. Therefore, it is known as a row matrix. Second one is a column matrix. Column matrix, how can you define a column matrix? A column matrix is a matrix having only one column. For example, B is equal to the matrix 1, 9, 7. Here, in this matrix, only one column there. And next one is a square matrix. S-Q-U-A-R, square matrix. Can you say what is the meaning of a square? Square means length is equal to breadth. Therefore, how can you define a square matrix? A matrix in which number of rows is equal to number of columns. Number of rows is equal to number of columns. Then it is known as a square matrix. Example, A is equal to the matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. Understand? The next one is a rectangle matrix. What's the meaning? Rectangle matrix. Rectangular matrix. What's the meaning of rectangle? Length not equal to the breadth. Therefore, how can you define here? In a matrix, if the number of rows not equal to number of columns, it is known as a rectangular matrix. The next very important matrix is unit matrix. Unit matrix means it is a square matrix. We know that square matrix means number of rows is equal to number of columns. It is a square matrix in which the leading diagonals are unity. Unit matrix is a square matrix in which the leading diagonal elements are unity. And the notation for a unit matrix is I. And here, can you say the order of this matrix I? How many rows are here? Here 2 rows. And how many columns are here? 2 columns. Therefore, we can say that here the unit matrix of order 2 means the notation is I2. I2 means it is a square matrix in which the leading diagonals are unity and the order is I2. I2 means it is a unit matrix of order 2. Now, can you define I3? Or can you define I3? I3 is a unit matrix of order 3 means the matrix is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. That's unit matrix. And the last one is a zero matrix. Zero matrix means in a matrix in which all the elements are zero. Example, A is equal to the matrix 0 0 0 0. These are the types of matrices: row matrix, column matrix, square matrix, unit matrix and zero matrix and rectangular matrix. These are the types of matrices. Now we discuss about the operations on matrices. The first one is addition of two matrices. We can add two matrices. Addition. Addition. We can add two matrices if they are of the same order. Two matrices we can add. What's the condition? If they are of the same order. For example, A is equal to the matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. And B is the matrix 5, 6, 7, 8. What's the order of the first matrix? It is a 2 by 2 matrix. What's the order of the second matrix? That is also a 2 by 2 matrix. Then our aim is to add. That means A plus B. How can you add two matrices? If they are of the same order, add the corresponding elements. What's the method? Add the corresponding elements. Look here. What is the first element in the first case? 1. 1 plus. What is the first element in the second matrix? 5. 1 plus 5. Then what about the next? 2 plus 6. 3 plus 7. And 4 plus 8. Can you say the answer? What is 1 plus 5? 6. 2 plus 6, 8. 3 plus 10. And 4 plus 8, 12. Therefore, the answer is 6, 8, 10, 12. Understand? Now, I will give you another example. A is the matrix 9, 8, 5, 3, 2, 7. And B is the matrix 6, 3, 4, 9, 8, 0. Here, what is the order of the first matrix? How many rows are there? There are 2 rows. And how many columns are there? 1, 2, 3. Therefore, the order of the matrix is 2 by 3. Then what about the second one? That is also 2 by 3. They are of the same order. Therefore, we can add that two matrices. How can you add that two matrices? Add the corresponding elements. That means A plus B is equal to 9 plus 6, 3 plus 8 plus 3, 5 plus 4, 3 plus 9, 2 plus 8 and 7 plus 0. What's the answer? What is 9 plus 6? 15. 8 plus 3, 11. 5 plus 4, 9. 12, 10 and 7. Understand? The addition means add the corresponding elements. If they are of different order, we cannot add. Understand? Now, what about subtraction? The same question. If the operation is subtraction, how How can you subtract? The meaning is A minus B. Instead of this addition, we put negative sign or minus sign. Nine minus 6, 8 minus 3, 5 minus 4, 3 minus 9, 2 minus 8 and 7 minus 0. If it is addition, you put plus sign. If the question is minus, you put negative sign. Can you say the answer? What's the answer? A minus B. 9 minus 6, 3. 8 minus 3, 5. 5 minus 4, 1. 3 minus 9. The negative sign is greater. Therefore, we put minus 6 and 7. Got the point? Addition means add the corresponding elements and subtraction means subtract the corresponding elements. Now, multiplication by a scalar. The third topic is multiplication of the matrix by a scalar. Multiplication by a scalar means by a number. For example, A is equal to the matrix 5, 3, 2, 1. Suppose the question is, what is 3A? 3A means multiply each element of A by the number 3. What's the answer? 3 into 5. What is 3 into 5? No need of writing that. 3 into 5. 3 5s, 15. 3 3s, 9. 3 2s, 6. 3 1s, 3. That is simple. Understand? To find scalar multiplication, A is equal to the matrix 5, 3, 2, 1. 3A is 15, 9, 6, 3. What about 5A? What about 5A? Multiply each element by 5. 5 into 5, 25. 5 3s are 15. 5 2s are 10. And 5 1s are 5. These are multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. That's the definition means, suppose A is the matrix A, B, C, D. Then K is a scalar. Ka is equal to the answer. What is Ka? Ka, Kb, Kc, Kd. Multiply each element by that scalar. This is multiplication of a matrix by a scalar or a single digit number or a number. Is it clear? Now, the last topic is multiplication of a matrix by another matrix. By multiplication of matrix by another matrix. Another matrix. Now listen. Suppose A is the matrix 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is the matrix 6, 7, 8, 9. Our aim is to multiply the matrix A by matrix B or AB. Now listen carefully. Here, what is the order of the first matrix? That is 2 by 2. What's the order of the second matrix? That is also 2 by 2. If the inner elements are same or the number of column of the first matrix is equal to the number of rows of the second matrix, then only we can multiply two matrices. That means if the inner elements are same, we can multiply two matrices. Listen, the mother. Here, the method is first row into first column gives first element. first row into, for that you write that near to one another. 6, 7, 8, 9. This is A, B. Right, very close. Now listen. First row into first column gives first element. I will repeat. First row into first column gives first element. That is 1 into 6 plus 2 into 8. Second, first row into second column. 1 into 7 plus 2 into 9. First row into first column, first row into second column. Then second row into first column, 3 into 6 plus 4 into 8. Second row into second column, 3 into 7 plus 4 into 9. Understand? First row into first column gives first element. First row into second column gives second element. Then second row into first column gives third element. Second row into second column gives fourth element. Now multiply and find the answer. 1 6 are 6 plus 16. 6 plus 16. 7 plus 18. 18 plus 32. 21 plus 9 4s are 36. 6 plus 16, 22. Say the answer. 8, 7 plus 18, 25. 50. What's the answer? 21 plus 36, 50. This is multiplication of a matrix by another matrix. One more example. A is the matrix 9, 2, 5, 1. And B is the matrix 6, 2, 5, 3. We know that this is a 2 by 2 matrix and the second one is also a 2 by 2 matrix. They are of the same order and the inner elements are same. Then AB means 9 into 6 plus 2 into 5. Then 9 into 2 plus 2 into 3. The last one 5 into 6 plus 1 into 5. Then 5 into 2 plus 1 into 3. 9 6 are 54 plus 10, 18 plus 6, 30 plus 5, and last one 10 plus 3. 54 plus 10, what is the answer? 64. 18 plus 6, 24. 30 plus 5, 35, and last one 13. Is the topic matrix.